From the explorers of the future, greetings! Prepare to enjoy the freedom of the open road with the state-of-the-art 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. This RV is more than just a car. It's a statement about life thanks to its creative design for every trip. The sleek, modern look, nighttime glide, adjustable LED headlights, and aerodynamic technology that reduces wind and increases economy are all on display, along with everything else that has made Chevrolet famous. Numerous sturdy chassis alternatives are available for these RVs, such as the modified Silverado HD and the Chevrolet Express van basis. They are powered by a variety of strong and reliable engines. The popular Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine offers a fun ride on any terrain thanks to its amazing power and towing capability. In contrast, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine offers mobility at a reasonable cost by combining outstanding performance and fuel efficiency. The dashboard's straightforward, driver-focused design immediately grabs your attention. A large infotainment touchscreen that also serves as the control center and a customizable digital instrument panel put all the vital information at your fingertips. Thanks to integrated navigation, Android Auto compatibility, and wireless Apple CarPlay, you won't get lost. The ergonomic dashboard design provides a contemporary and welcoming cockpit with high-end materials, brushed chrome accents, and calming ambient lighting for extended flights. The main cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is the ideal balance of functionality and style. The motorized slide-out adds even more space and light to the inside while parked. Large windows with creative curtains not only bring in natural light, but also provide breathtaking views of your surroundings. With its opulent leather sofa and movable captain's chairs, this lounge area is perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Comfort and simplicity of upkeep are two advantages of alternatives to long-lasting luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring. After a day of exploring, the bedroom area is meant to be a tranquil haven. A comfortable queen or king-size bed and a quality mattress are essential for a restful night's sleep. On either side of the bed are side tables with reading lamps and separate USB charging ports. With built-in closets and spacious drawers that provide ample space for storing all of your belongings, the inside is kept in perfect condition. Soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains provide a serene atmosphere. The restroom of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is proof that comfort need not be sacrificed for opulent travel. The bathroom features a porcelain toilet, a modern sink with high-end faucets, a large walk-in shower with sufficient water pressure, and a sophisticated design. A large mirror with integrated lighting and creative toiletry storage provide convenience. Because of the high-quality, easily cleaned materials, it feels hygienic and clean. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true. It features full-sized appliances such as a large electric refrigerator, a convection oven, and an induction cooktop. The countertops are made of durable quartz, and the handmade cabinets provide ample space to store all of your products and cookware. Included are even a hidden espresso maker for your morning coffee and a dishwasher for convenient cleaning.